In this video, we will be discussing about the construction of a unit hydrograph from a flood hydrograph. This is included in the module 2 of Water Resource Engineering of Kerala Technological University, Civil Engineering. Now let us first discuss the procedure of doing this, and then we will be discussing a numerical problem. So in the procedure, step 1 is from the past record select a unit period of intense rainfall duration corresponding to an isolated storm which is uniformly distributed over an area. So we will be choosing a unit period. We know for the hydrograph there will be a unit period which will be decided by us while designing or while constructing a unit hydrograph for a catchment, and that unit period can be 1 hour, 2 hour, or any duration that is chosen by us, and that is usually chosen as a period of intense rainfall that is usually observed in that particular catchment. So, and also we are assuming that the isolated storm is uniformly distributed over the given catchment. Now from the past records of the river for that particular storm, we have to plot the storm hydrograph or flood hydrograph for some days before and after the period of rainfall of that unit duration. So we will be having previous data of the major river that is flowing through the catchment that we are considering, and we will be studying that data that is before and after the storm that we are considering. We said we will be considering an isolated storm, so we will be taking data before and after that storm have taken place, and we will be studying that data, and we will be preparing a flood hydrograph corresponding to that data. Now we need the base flow data also, so we will be separating the base flow values from the flood hydrograph. That is, flood hydrograph ordinate minus base flow will give you the direct runoff ordinate. So we will be now finding out the direct runoff ordinate from flood hydrograph ordinate by subtracting the base flow. Now after that we have to calculate the runoff in centimeters, that is by the equation 0.36 sigma O into T by A centimeter, where T is the time interval between successive ordinates, area is A is area of basin in square kilometer, and sigma O is the sum of discharge ordinates in cumex. We will discuss this when we move on to the problem. Now finally we have to calculate the ordinates of unit hydrograph by the relation ordinate of unit hydrograph is equal to ordinate of direct runoff divided by direct runoff in centimeter, that is this value that we obtained from this equation. So that is direct runoff ordinate by direct runoff depth will give you the unit hydrograph ordinate. Okay, now we are going to move on to the numerical problem in which we find out the unit hydrograph ordinates from the ordinates of flood hydrograph that is given. So in the question you are given a data of time and corresponding hydrograph ordinates. So, and also base flow is also given. So these are the data, that is with 3 hour time interval 0, 3, 6, etc. And the ordinates of flood hydrograph given are 14, 25, 51, 65 and etc. up to 14, and then base flow data is also given. So first ordinate of direct runoff is found out by subtracting base flow from ordinate of hydrograph. So this is first column, second column, third column, and fourth column is obtained by 4 is equal to 2 minus 3, that is first 2 minus 3, that is second column minus third column, that is 14 minus 14 equal to 0, then 25 minus 12 equal to 13, then 51 minus 11 equal to 40, 65 minus 40, 10 is equal to 55. Similarly, how to do it up to the last row. So you will be getting the direct runoff ordinate. Now you can find out the direct runoff depth using equation 0.36 sigma O into T centimeter by A. Here area of the catchment is given as 30 square kilometer, and sigma O, that is a sum of these values, that is equal to 166. That is sigma O, that is the sum of direct runoff ordinates into T, that is a time interval, that is 0 to 3, that is 3 to 6 etc. So that is 3, t equal to 3 divided by A is 30. Hence direct runoff depth is obtained as 0.36 into 166 into 3 by 30, that is equal to 5.98 centimeter. Now unit hydrograph ordinates can be obtained by dividing each of these ordinates by the runoff depth that we obtained. Therefore column number 5 is obtained by 4 divided by 5.98. So 0 by 5.98 0, 13 by 5.98 is 2.217, then 40 by 5.98 6.69, then 43 by 5.98 that is equal to 7.19, 15 by 5.98 that is 2.5 etc. So these are the final data or final output that we need. So these are the unit hydrograph ordinates that we need to find out. Now we can also do a check, that is the given unit hydrograph ordinates or a particular unit hydrograph is also a direct runoff hydrograph, which runoff depth equal to 1. So this equation can be applied for a unit hydrograph also, and after applying you should get the direct runoff equal to 1 centimeter. Then only we can say that this is a unit hydrograph. So to do the check, find the direct runoff depth corresponding to these ordinates. So for that, first find sigma O of unit hydrograph, that is equal to 27.74, and substitute in this equation, that is 0.36 into 27.74, t and a are the same itself, and you will be getting it as 0.99, that is approximately equal to 1 centimeter. Therefore the check is satisfied and the ordinates that we found out are correct, and it is having a runoff depth of 1 centimeter. So that concludes the problem. Simply separate the base flow from flood hydrograph, then find out the direct runoff depth and divide the direct runoff ordinates by direct runoff depth to obtain the unit hydrograph ordinates. Okay, this is a plot of hydrograph that we have constructed just now. We have discharge on the y-axis in meter cube per second and time on the x-axis in hours. So this first, the ordinate of flood hydrograph, that is, this is the flood hydrograph, and this line is the base flow. Now the ordinates of direct runoff is obtained by, or the direct runoff hydrograph, this is a direct runoff hydrograph, is obtained by subtracting the base flow from flood hydrograph. So this is the direct runoff hydrograph, this is a direct runoff hydrograph, and unit hydrograph ordinates are obtained by dividing the ordinates of direct runoff hydrograph by 5.98, and that is, this is the unit hydrograph. So as we can see, it starts from 0 and it is below the direct runoff hydrograph as the ordinates gets smaller as we are dividing each of the ordinate by a value of 5.98. So thank you.